It all came about because there was a water leak or water penetration in 2002.
A tiny fragment of decoration became visible on the ceiling at the south end of the saloon.
And with the advice and guidance of English Heritage, now Historic England, our conservation department did some investigations in the southern apse.
The removal of some later overpaint led to the revelation of part of Robert Jones's original scheme for the room, which took the form of large silver palm leaves radiating across an apse ceiling. It was decided that this was sufficiently interesting that it should be pursued as a restoration project. This was done by recreating the decoration over the top of the later sky ceiling. So the later decoration is actually still there and could be recovered if necessary in the future. The view expressed by the representatives of English Heritage was that if other elements of the original scheme should come to light, that they would be minded to approve those for restoration as well, for reconstruction, should we say. And that, I suppose, concentrated our minds on what else might be found.